art tip, how to draw a bird with simple shapes. Today's Draw a Bird Day and I'm redrawing Flower Girls NFT's GM Bird created by Varvara Alay. First, let's start with big, simple shapes. Circle for the head, rectangle for the body, a semicircle, triangle wings, curved triangles, oval for the red piece at the top, and another oval for the tail. Now, a really sharp pointy beak, circle for the eye. Now let's start from scratch. As I discussed, let's draw the shapes from earlier. Let's start with liner. Now let's block in the main color. I'm adding light, shadow, and texture to this work. I love adding more color to all my artworks to make it more vibrant. Hope this helps, and I'm excited to see your bird drawing. See you tomorrow!